What's going on YouTube? This is Clayton from Contemporary Auto. I want to take a brief second to highlight a unit that's recently hit our lot. It's going to be this 2024 Jeep Gladiator Sport. It's in the hydro blue clear coat paint. Let's get right into the video. You'll see it'll have your halogen headlights, it'll have the updated grille for the year of 2024, and it'll have these tow hooks up front so you can tow out your Cybertrucks. This one will be equipped with wheel-to-wheel running boards and a 3-piece hardtop so you can get that full Jeep experience. And with it being a sport, it will also have your bed because it is the Gladiator, and it'll have a soft fall down, and it'll be a great vehicle for your camping or wherever life takes you. The Gladiator will be equipped with the fastest drying cloth seats in the market, which is fantastic, a manual powertrain control and manual e-brake as well, and the star of the show is going to be the Uconnect 5 system, which will come equipped with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. And with it being a great utility vehicle, you'll see it'll have your cover for your 3-piece hardtop, and it'll also have storage underneath the seat as well, and it'll come with floor mats. But this Gladiator is available. Like I said, it is a 2024, so there are going to be rebates and incentives on it. You can reach out to me at any point, 603-213-5003, so I can help get you the details, help get the ball rolling. But thank you for watching. Have a very blessed one, and look forward to seeing you.